It's Filet, and you're watching Filet TV, the ultimate YouTube channel. I'm a cinematographer, just a dude with a camera. All right, today, this is part 8 of the budget cowbug build. Getting ready to put the carpeting in, but first we're going to do a little sound deadening to see if we can get rid of some of these tinny sounds we got going on here with some of this over-the-counter peel and stick stuff. So if there's something you're interested in, let's get started. Okay, like I said, I'm getting ready to do the carpeting in here, but this thing is just such a tinny beast. When there's no carpet, no headliner, no sound deadening, I mean, it is hollow. So before we go ahead and put the carpet in, we're gonna go ahead and lay some sound deadening in here, get a couple rolls of it, put a couple strips across the roof just to try and take away some of that hollow, and up underneath all that carpeting and on the floors and inside both doors. And when it's going to come out, it's going to look a lot like that. So here's what I got going on. Okay, here's what I got going on here. I bought this from Home Depot. It is an aluminum finish repair and seal tape. It's about that big, that wide, maybe 6 inches wide or 5 inches or something, I don't know. But anyways, we're going to put this on the inside of the doors and see if it helps with the tin can rattle. I've seen people do their whole inside of their car using this stuff from Home Depot. This is about $15 or $16 for this roll, and it is 60 mils thick and 25 feet long. So we're going to see how much we can get done on the inside of the two doors before we put the door panels on. Okay, as a test, I ran 2 pieces the length of the inside of the door, and now we're going to shut it and do some banging on it and hear how it sounds. I might come in here and fill the rest of this in, but I might not need to because it's already starting to sound a lot better. First we slam it, it already feels heavier. Little tap. Yeah, I'm gonna go all the way down with it. Let's see what the door opened. Nice. Here we're gonna do another tapping test. That's next. Okay, we're in the back seat area. You can see I've just laid down all of my soundproofing. I've got 1 strip left, and that's going to go around down the center. It's not going to be enough to complete, but I'm off to Home Depot to get some more because I want to still do the inside of the doors here and some of the pans. So I think about 3 more rolls. This is 1 roll here and the 3 strips I put on the door. Okay, this stuff is really tacky, but I bought this roller that I'm just going to go everything and try and get in these crevices and just at least push it in a little bit. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Once I get the carpet glued in, I'm going to hope it doesn't go anywhere, but I think we're going to be okay. All right, I've just about finished the back luggage area. I got at least see 1 more strip, and then I'll pull this mattress out of here, which I had to lay on. Still recovering from an injury. Don't know if I need to do the wheel wells or not. I'm kind of contemplating that. But I'm going to put 1 strip across the top and then 1 strip across the bottom. And we'll get that sealed in. Then we'll move on to the quarter panels. Okay, so here's where I'm at. Ignore my shadow. Passenger side door is done. Luggage compartment's done. And inside each quarter panel and the driver's door is done. And I also put just a couple of pieces inside here. So let's go ahead and, I know there's still like, the fenders aren't bolted up or anything, but let's see if it sounds any better. Yeah, I think it does. Still got to figure out what to do about the roof until we get a headliner. But generally, my tin rattles, my fenders rattle. There's no fender beating, and they're not bolted down, but it sounds pretty solid. All right, so I'm still nursing an injury, so I'm not supposed to be doing this much. But I wanted to at least get my insulation in so I could start laying down my carpets. Luggage compartment, quarter panels, both doors. Do you think I need to do the pans? All right, I'm working on the carpet back here, and I got these two sides laid in. Not the best fit, but what can you do? It was like 110 bucks or something for this carpet kit. Pushed it into place behind the back window, underneath the back window. I got a magnet in place holding everything up, and I kind of taped it. You can see it's getting ready to fall. All this is glued down, so I'm going to try not to put my hand down there. And I'm just going to roll the carpet out. But I'm not going to set up a tripod, so you'll just have to trust me. It is rolling out. All right, and there it is. It's rolled out, glued into place. That's the best it's going to be. There'll be a seat in place and door panels and everything, so it's not a focal point. Anyways, that's it for the back seat. All right, it's impossible to see back here, but I got the luggage area carpet in. Oh, there are my glasses. And I've got, let's try that again with the good arm. Back seats into place. Carpet kit's in, and now I'm gonna go put the back seat on. Let's try this time without the shadow. It's getting there. Still got this noise going on though. All right, there we go. Back carpet, rear quarter panels, top and bottom part of the back seat, and kick panels and rear carpet in. Need more glue, need to rest. I'm still injured, shouldn't be doing this, but it's done. Let's see if this slams any quieter now. Ah, that sounds a lot more solid. All right, and here we are. Door panels are in. I want to say they are junk, and so are the clips. You'll see there's broken pieces of clips all over here. Carpet is in, back seat is in, other door panels. Everything. Let's hear how the driver's side sounds. That's a lot better. That's a lot better. And passenger side. Let's take a look. Carpet's in, door panel's in. Let's hear how this sounds. Much better. All right, that's it. Soundproofed. Carpet's in, door panels are in. That's it for now. Go back into recovery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Come along with me on this adventure as I fix up these old cars and play with my trees in my retirement. Thanks for watching. The Lake TV.